Hi Valerie and everyone with AMPTX Electric. This is Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. So I'm just going to go over a couple of things with you guys that you can do with your website to start utilizing the internet to bring you even more business. So I've got your website up here and we'll get started. I really like that your logo is right up here at the top. Your contact number, request a quote, just a quick call to action is always good to have up at the top here as well. As we come down, ways for them to view projects that you guys have done. Here it looks like we've got more in-depth of your services, which is great to have on the home page. Your website looks really nice. It's really clean, simple, and sleek. Another call to action, which is great. Let's see. Take a quick look at this. So these images you can save as buyer intent keywords prior to uploading them to your website. And Google will read the names of these pictures and it will help you rank. So if you go and resave those pictures as buyer intent keywords, which we'll get into in a minute, Google's going to read those and help you rank. So as we come down here, we've got a little bit about you guys, your contact information again. So we could get maybe an about us, maybe if you guys have some reviews that you can add, those are always good to have on your homepage as well. And so what Google really cares about is the content, and they want to see you sitting at about 1,500 to 2,000 words of quality content on this homepage. And in addition to that content, they really want to see those buyer intent keywords. So things like Electrician El Paso, Electrician Houston, Electrician Fort Worth, wherever it is you guys mainly want to operate out of, or the areas that you want to target, get those keywords put onto this homepage sprinkled in there, because those are words that your clients are going to type into Google when they're trying to find you because they need your services. And what Google does is send its crawlers through your website. It reads those matching phrases and keywords, and it brings your website up higher because it knows that you can meet the needs of the customer that's searching within them. So it'll help you rank higher if you do that. Now, in addition to content and keywords, and just to backtrack really quick, that's what I'm talking about, those keywords. Save those pictures as Electrician Houston, Electrician Fort Worth, Electrician Dallas, and we'll get into some more keywords here too. So what I like to do next is check out backlinks. And so backlinks are just a shout out from another website, and Google's similar to like a popularity contest, so it really likes to see other websites vouching for you, saying that you're trustworthy and relevant. And so the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There are other free tools out there. As we can see right now, it doesn't look like you guys have any organic keywords on your site. You do have 13 backlinks, and these fuel your UR and your DR rating. So your UR is your trust rating and your DR is your power rating. Those are both really low. We obviously want those to be higher. And like I said, they're fueled by the backlinks, and those come from your referring domains. Now I've put in another electrician in the El Paso area, and it's called Secure Electric. And as you can see, they've got more backlinks. Their UR rating is none, and their DR rating is really low as well. I'll just look at this and see if that makes a difference. Okay, so their UR rating is a little bit higher, but we want these numbers to be closer. So that's just letting us know that some of their backlinks might not be as powerful or relevant to them as they need to be. But what you can do is click into these referring domains, and you can get yourself added to these same ones, because if they're helping them rank, they're going to help you rank as well. And then the next thing that we'll take a quick peek at here is their organic keywords. They don't have too many, but they do have more than you guys do right now. So as you can see, they've got generator supply near me. That's about a 200 search volume per month. Generator repair, which I believe was on your website for one of your services in the El Paso area specifically, has 30 people searching that per month, which is, quite a few people. Electrician El Paso, 300 people searching per month. So getting those keywords onto your website is really going to help you guys rank up there much higher. And you can do some more research into different keywords that target the specific services that you offer. and get those put into your home page. Now, once you start getting those keywords in, getting that content in, it's going to help you rank organically. And when I searched for you guys, I got to the 3rd page and I hadn't seen you yet, so I kind of stopped there because generally people don't go past the 2nd page in Google. So we want to get up here on this 1st page, and organically we want to rank right here in this 1st, 2nd, or 3rd spot. And then the last thing that we're going to touch on here is this area called the local map pack, or the Google My Business. And so to get here, you need to have a Google business profile, which I believe you guys do have, but you just want to ensure that it's filled out all the way, hours, address, that kind of stuff. You definitely want to get some reviews in there. That can help. If you can get people asking questions and answering those questions, that helps. And then of course having pictures on there will help too. And then the biggest aid in getting ranked up here is going to be citations. And so a citation is just your business's name, address, and phone number listed in a directory. And directories just include things like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor, Facebook, things like that. So what I would do is find out where your competitors have their citation listed, get yourself listed in all those exact same directories, and then go above and beyond that. If they're in 150, get yourself listed in 200, 250, really blow them out of the water. And then you're going to take over Google. You're going to be ranked #1 here. You're going to be ranked #1 down here. And that's going to let your clients know that Google knows you're trustworthy and relevant, and you can help them with their issues. All right, that's all I've got for you guys today. I hope that this was helpful. I would absolutely appreciate some feedback on the video, so just get in touch with me. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks.